CTO is really important. It's an opportunity for us to really coordinate our efforts and for us to be able to learn from each other, for us to bring together the strengths that we have, for us to even make the Caribbean a better option. When you think about it, we have to always think in the positive sum game. If we make the pie larger, everybody will get larger slices. It makes no sense for us to be fighting for the same size and not growing. So we have to work as CTO to grow the regional pie so all of us can get a larger size. And it really offers us the opportunity when we gather for us to discuss how we can work in concert to make that pie bigger, to make the Caribbean region a more successful region, and each of us individually to benefit from that.
How things are going for St. Lucia?
I think it has been really good for us. We probably at the end of December up to almost 90% of what we were in 2019, which for us is quite a significant recovery, especially when you put it in the context of regional travel being significantly lower than what it was in 2019. Of course, post-pandemic, Liat and other regional airlines have not really restored the levels of service that they had before. So in 2019, we had almost 88,000 regional arrivals. At the end of last year, 2022, we were probably up to about late 30s, 37, 38,000 persons, which shows a significant decline. So the regional market is important for us. But July, for example, was a significant month for us, our best month. Of course, we had our Carnival festivities, so that was very significant. In December, we also was short of the 2019 figure by a few hundred arrivals. The cruise ship arrivals last year were also down, but numbers have really picked up, and we're expecting this year to equal that of 2019, which was also the best year. So all in all, I think we're very happy with the rebound. We've really gone out in our view to try to reposition the industry, to try to encourage more local participation, more local ownership. And this year was a big year for us to start talking about this reorientation of the tourism industry. So for us, it was an exciting year, and certainly looking forward to an even better 2023.